Kia ora team, we're here at DVK High School. We're absolutely stoked to be here, fresh off CHB, just down the road. It's time to spread the froth and spark chats. Let's go.
Against the world, well, I'll take a knee, show you what you're worth. If it's been days,
Hey. Oh, man. Awesome. Man. Awesome, Dannevirke, stoked to be here. It's I can feel the mana and the love already, and it's not a given team. People that care about you, and from the staff, and to see that flow on in and that connection, that respect is all time. We're here to do whatever we can to equip you to live your best life.
I would recommend them because when they talk, it's very empowering, very moving. It helps, it really, really does.
Something that stood out for me is just taking that breath and slowing down. Take your time sometimes. If you pile up too much stuff at one time, it all crumbles, so yeah.
I was breathing, I was taking a minute and loving the disconnect to reconnect buzz.
Depression can't hit a moving target. Always be moving.
Another incredible school, DVK. Yeah, unreal bro, stoked.